In this tutorial I will show you how to download CSGO for free on a PC or laptop. If you're trying to play Counter-Strike Global Offensive for free in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so to get started with downloading CSGO for free, first open your browser and search for Steam download. Check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. We're going to be using Steam, and that is because CSGO is available on Steam for free. In the top right, select Install Steam. Here you can select the correct installation file either for Windows, Mac, or Linux, so I'll just select Install Steam for Windows. Once that file is done downloading, go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and install Steam. Make sure you have Run Steam selected and then select Finished. If you already have a Steam account you can log into that, but if you don't, simply select Create New Account. I already have one. Once Steam opens up in the top menu up here you will see Store. Go ahead and select that. And then we just go over to the search bar and you just want to look up for CSGO. Scroll down to where it says Play Counter-Strike Global Offensive Free to Play, and then we just need to select Play Game. When we do that, it'll bring up where we can install Counter-Strike Global Offensive on our computer. All we need to do is select Next. After that it's going to tell us it's going to download Counter-Strike, and then it will install it, so we can select Finish. If we go to Library and Downloads, and shows that we're downloading the game. You can see the progress of your download. And then once it's done installing you can just hit the play button. Then CSGO will start opening up. And then you can start playing CSGO on your PC or laptop.